capturing sound is a science. Reproducing it faithfully is an art form, especially in a car. Top-of-the-line hardware is the basic requirement. This is why Volvo has chosen to work closely with Bower and Wilkins, one of the most respected audio brands in the world. The XC90 system is derived directly from innovative acoustic technology, developed for reference speakers used in some of the world's most demanding acoustic environments. In the all-new XC90, we have combined exquisite design and a pure sound experience using 19 state-of-the-art speakers connected to a 12-channel 1400-watt Class D amplifier. The speaker setup includes 7 Nautilus tweeters, 7 mid-range speakers, 4 woofers, and a new groundbreaking 250mm fresh air subwoofer, which is literally built into the car's subframe. The result of this cooperation with Bower and Wilkins is a clear, crisp, and powerful audio experience in the all-new Volvo XC90.